You already know your engine needs a catch can. You also know a modern billet tank looks wrong in a vintage engine bay. This video will show how to convert an old bypass filter housing into an oil catch can that looks period correct. Any old filter housing will do. If they look something like one of these, you're in business. Step 1, drainage. The original return hole won't flow without oil pressure. So I'm drilling two 4mm relief holes at an angle. This lets the petcock drain the housing by gravity. Step 2, the 1/2-inch inlet tube enters from above and directs oil fumes to below the filter media high enough so that it won't be dipping into the waste pool. That's the bottom canister done. Use JB Weld or silver solder. It's not 40 psi anymore, close to atmospheric pressure, but you still don't want it leaking oil. Step 3. The lid handles the exit to the manifold via a 1/2-inch barb. I've oxy-brazed a sleeve to the lid that slides over the centre rod. This supports the baffle plate, which acts as a shelf for the filter media. For the media, I'm using stainless steel scouring pads. They have a large surface area to catch oil mist without restricting the airflow to the manifold. I've filled out the shelf with 6 of these stainless pads around the tube. It looks dense, but it breathes perfectly with zero restriction. With the internals done, it's down to paint and final assembly. Don't forget a lid gasket. I'm using neoprene insertion sheet because it's oil, fuel and heat resistant. Why buy a catch can when you can build one that's more efficient and actually looks at home on a vintage firewall? Just remember to drain the condensate every oil change and never pour it back in. That's the stuff that sludge is made from. I'm done, and I'll see you at Historic Winton.